I managed to go to the swimming pool and wash myself and clean myself as much as I could. But believe it or not, some hate me because of that. Some hate me because I want to be clean and because I am clean as much as I can be in these circumstances. So yeah, that's a problem. And I like clean people. And if you can't be clean, but you could be, but you can't be, you know what I'm saying? You have the opportunity to clean yourself, then I don't know. You're depressed, you're ill, or you just want to be dirty. And I guess that's okay too, because sometimes if you're dirty, people leave you alone. But on the other occasions, you can get ill and you can get declared, I don't know, whatever, because of it.